Hello and welcome back to the JForce IT Service Academy once again. In this lesson, we are going to learn something interesting. We are going to learn how to activate the developer tab on our computers without any stress and without any challenge. So if you are new to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell icon for all. Make sure that you like and share this our video with your friends to also benefit from. And make sure that you send your comments in the comment section of this video, and make sure that you check the description of this video for more interesting videos from us on this channel. All right, so the reason why you need to activate this developer tab is that as a programmer or as a system developer, you need that particular ribbon to be able to perform some task in the system without any stress and without any problem. So without wasting much time, let's just dive straight into these short tutorials. So let's just go to the search icon there. Let's search for Microsoft Excel. So it's already appearing there, so let's just tap on it like that to open it. So let's open the Microsoft Excel like this. So as you can see from the top here, the developer tab is not visible. It's not available here. And before we can do any other thing, before we can do any programming using the Microsoft Excel, we need to activate the developer tab before we can do some kind of designs. Before we can design some user form and some stuffs, we need to activate the developer tab. If we want to use this Microsoft Excel to develop some system, we need the developer tab to help us to be able to execute some functions without any stress and without any problem. So let's just right click on any of the ribbons appearing here. So we go to customize the ribbon. Okay, so here we can see the developer tab here. This is the developer tab, and you can see that this particular one is not activated. So the only thing that we can do to make that one, the developer tab, visible on our desktop is just to click on it like this. Let's just click on it like this to activate it. So basically we are done activating the developer tab. So let's just come to OK here. Let's click on OK. Then when we come to the top here, among the ribbons here, we can see the developer tab. So this is the short tutorials on how to activate the developer tab. So if you enjoyed this video, if you like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell icon for all, like and share the video with your friends and family members to also benefit from. So thank you very much for watching this video. Let's meet in another interesting tutorials. Bye bye.